Hey there, affiliate marketers! Ever heard of Exitus Elite? This isn't just another affiliate program. It's a decade-old trusted business with a fabulous owner, Paul Stevenson, who genuinely cares about each and every one of us. Now let's talk numbers. You can earn between $100 to $2,000 in commissions. Yes, you heard that right. But remember, you've got to put in the work. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a life-changing opportunity if you're willing to seize it. Exitus Elite equips you with top-notch products to train you on building your business. And the best part? They've got a sales team ready to support you. Your leads can call the number on the sales page, and the sales team will answer their questions and close the sales for you. Imagine earning an 80% commission for doing no work. But hey, if you're a go-getter and close the sale yourself, you get a whopping 100% commission. In Exitus Elite, you get to choose how you want to get paid instantly through PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, and more. So what's holding you back? Take control of your future with Exitus Elite. It's more than just a business, it's a community where your success matters. Ready to change your life? Join Exitus Elite today. Let's make those dreams a reality.